Medhavi AI, from Sanskrit, meaning intelligent or intellectually brilliant. The perfect name for our AI-powered intelligent learning systems. The prompt: Claude Code Terminal, Claude Dar, write a Manim scene, infinite square well, L equals 2 nanometers, electron mass. Draw the first 3 energy levels as horizontal lines with sine wave eigenfunctions. Label each level with its energy in electron volts. 3 things in every prompt: the rule, the numbers, what to render. Underspecify and the generated scene needs a redo. The CLI writes the file. Before running, read it. Find this line, n² times E1. That is the entire physics. The n² exponent is where to look. Check that E1 is 1240 squared times pi squared over twice the mass times L squared in electron volts. Check n equals 1 gives 0.094. 30 seconds, not optional. Run it. 2 things to verify. First, the ratio E2 over E1. The ratio chip shows 4.000. That is the n² law, exact, not approximate. Second, E1 is above 0. The ground state rests at 0.094 electron volts. No matter how you cool this system, the particle never stops. Both correct. Ready to iterate. Iterate, Claude, update pib_spectrum.pii, add a parameter L that the user can change. Show that when L halves from 2 to 1 nanometer, E1 quadruples from 0.094 to 0.376 electron volts. Prompt, read, run, check, change. The physics was the excuse to run the loop. That is what you carry forward. Medhavi, AI-powered intelligent learning systems, on YouTube at Medhavi AI, medhavi.com.